Meaning of delinquent.
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 Delinquent. Delinquent refers to a person who has failed to fulfill their obligations or meet their responsibilities, often in the context of legal or financial matters. This can include failure to pay debts, fines, or taxes, as well as engaging in illegal activities such as theft, vandalism, or drug use. Delinquency can have serious consequences, including legal penalties, damaged credit ratings, and social stigmatization. It is important for individuals to take responsibility for their actions and strive to meet their obligations in order to avoid negative consequences associated with delinquency.